It's literally 5 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm done with them. I'm not coming back ever again because they just made me so mad. Okay, yeah.
Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. Cause she hold me down every time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So today, all we have planned is my 6 o'clock lash appointment, and then we have my 10:30 a.m. nail appointment. Y'all are probably like, well, Drew, why did you pick a 6 a.m. lash appointment? It was the only way that it would be able to work today, and I really wanted to do them today. So I just chose the 6 a.m. I'm about to go over there and just get it over with. Now I'm going to give y'all a quick before of my lashes, then I'll give y'all after once we finish. But I'm still going to record while I'm getting them done. As y'all can see, it's very sparse. So I'm about to get ready, and I'll see y'all there. Just look at how cute my Crocs are. These Croc charms are from Charm by Drew, my business. Make sure y'all go check it out because who you know Crocs looking like this? Okay, let's go. And the mask is masking right now. It is so cute. Rep your set. Rep your set. Charm by Drew. Make sure y'all go shop. Charm by Drew. I'm about to go inside and then I'm going to let you guys see me getting my lashes done.
You get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it.
Here's what my nails look like. I know they look absolutely horrible, but it's okay because we about to go get it fixed. Please excuse my hair. I'm getting it done tomorrow, but I have like edge control buildup up there. I just didn't want to keep my scarf on all day, so I'm about to go make me something to eat right quick, and then I'm gonna head out. I love me a breakfast bowl. Okay, so we got the Jimmy Dean Delights breakfast bowl, turkey sausage. It's steaming. It's steaming. It's steaming. It doesn't look that good on camera, but I promise y'all it's so good. And I add a little bit more cheese because there's not enough cheese in there. Okay, now we're talking. See, looks better already. My nails, they are so cute. I feel like I'm one of the few girls that still like short nails. I know everybody be liking long nails, but I personally can't manage with long nails. I love my shorties for life. Okay, now I need to go to the beauty supply store and get my my hair for tomorrow. Then I'm probably gonna go home and take a nap because I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning. I am tired. Like, I am so tired. I was going to get my feet done today to match my nails, but I think I'm just going to wait until tomorrow after I finish getting my hair done because I can't do everything in one day, and I'm extremely tired. So we about to head to the beauty supply store now. I have never been the type to get a cart in the beauty supply store, and I figured today I'll make a little change. So I think I got the right thing. I'm supposed to get 2 packs of one thing and then 4 packs of the other. So the things I need, the 4 packs of, apparently they don't have it. I just have to go to another beauty supply store. It's another one up the street, so I'll probably just go to a different one, but this one sucks bad. So the second beauty supply store that I went to actually did have the hair that I needed, and I don't know how that happened because that store was probably 1/3 of the size of the first store that I went to, which is crazy. So I didn't get my usual 1B color. I actually got T30. So I think that should be just a little bit of a change. It's a little lighter than 1B. So I think that should be cute. I've never gotten any other color except for 1B in my hair. So I think I just want to try something different. And also the store, they didn't even have 1B in this or in the hair that you're actually wrapping around in. So I just took that as a sign to get a different color because I wasn't about to go to another store just to search for another color, and I wanted a different color anyway, so I'm excited for that. I have to go to practice in a couple hours, and then when I come home from practice I'm going to take my hair out. Whenever I have anything to do to my hair, I procrastinate like crazy. I'm never able to do my hair early in the day. It's almost 11:30 at night right now, and I'm just now about to start taking my braids out. But the good thing about it is that I don't have to wash my hair. She's gonna wash my hair tomorrow, so that's a big weight lifted off my shoulders. So I'm just gonna start taking these out, and luckily I do have an extra set of hands that will be coming and helping me as well, so it shouldn't take as long as I think it will. And these aren't any like super small braids either, so I should be able to get these out in a good amount of time and get into bed at a decent time so I can get up early for my appointment.
10 bad bitches in a match. Wrist on Millie, rock them diamonds on me dance. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna leave me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I was just blessing on my ex bitch. Hold up, I was just stunting on my ex bitch. I was just blessings on my ex bitch. Truck her with it, ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got me trying not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches talking, they can't stand. Blessing on that bitch.
Time check now is 12:45, so that just took a little over an hour. It's not too bad. I'm about to get ready for bed. I'm so glad I detangled as I went because trying to do that afterwards would have been entirely too much. See y'all in the morning. I'm just gonna talk to you guys while I'm washing my face because I'm running a little behind. So right now I'm about to go get my hair done. After I get my hair done, I'm gonna go and get my feet done. This is the before of my hair. Y'all get a good look. This little puff ball. I look like a ghost. My face is so in and out. Like, it'll be clear when I wake up and be in the house, but once I get outside, it's just like it breaks out. I don't know why. But I will see y'all after I finish getting my hair done. Here's the after of my hair. It is so lightweight. It's giving summer. It's giving vacation. It's giving natural, like, y'all. And the color goes so good with my skin. It doesn't hurt at all. I can move it any way I want. I can part it any way I want. My good sis did that. I'm going to put her Instagram in the description so y'all can go ahead and book her because I love it.
Moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business. Her daddy was not around. Her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch. I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story that came from my life, and I'm just recording this shit. I'ma just give it to you direct instead of me blowing this shit. You know you important this shit. You know I'm supporting this shit. We used to do pornos when you would come over, but now you got morals and shit. I got like 4 on the wrist and an adorable kid. I got a Drake in the studio, and that don't just mean that I'm in this bitch. Please make the most of this shit. Don't just come close to some shit. I give you this bread, you rub me some head, and then you go blow up a feet. She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she want a loan and start up a business. Her daddy is not around. Her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole, and niggas. I make it rain in this bitch. I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story that came from my life, and I'm supporting this shit. Daddy's not around. Mama's definitely not around. She got a.
Thank y'all so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next video.